This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sean Guerrier. This perfectly arranged single-family ranch-style home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with the owner's suite separated from the guest bedrooms and bathroom. Laundry/mud room off of the kitchen with large kitchen pantry closet. The dining room can be shifted and made into a proper Florida sunroom or extended dining room as it is currently presented. Located at a corner, this property has a huge front, side and backyard with enough room for a pool in the back or side yards. This home is located in the highly desired Chapel Hill/Forest Hill area between I-95, near the hospital and the ocean. For more information, review the details below or contact Sean Guerrier at 888-668-8283.